Skip doesn't get out of Da Nang, he doesn't live. He's going to die. So we made the call to MedAire. We're getting ready to be transported to a hospital and, well, by ambulance to a private airplane in Da Nang. We called MedAire. That was 11:30 this morning. At 11:30 this evening, Skip is being evacuated out of here. I've never seen a more professional company, a more efficient company. Their staff is superior. Everyone works as a team, from the ground staff to the 2 doctors to the nurses. There's a lot of people to be thankful for this.
To help people every day, to help people get the care they need, and to assist them when they need it the most. That's why MedAire has grown into the company it is today. Everything we do, our network, our processes, our services, is to support our clients. In addition to our expert team at our assistance centers, we have spent years building our global network of locally available medical resources. This ensures that when you, our member, need medical care away from home, you will be referred to the most appropriate quality facility.
We've logged thousands of miles visiting the facilities in our network. We personally assess the quality of the medical facility, the medical team, and the resources they have available. No other provider in our industry can match our local knowledge and assistance abilities.
As a company built to respond to emergency situations, we have business continuity and contingency plans to ensure seamless delivery of care 24/7. This infrastructure we have, our quality qualifications, and our assistance platform are all in place to support you. Our members have unique needs, whether they're in the air or out at sea. All of our services are designed to help you mitigate your exposure to risks and to be prepared in your environment. Our online information tools, our travel security assessments, the first aid and first responder training we provide, and our medical kits and equipment all work together to provide you, our member, a seamless solution. We invite you to learn more about MedAire, to hear how we've helped people, to learn more about what makes MedAire different, and how we are uniquely capable of delivering expert care everywhere.
Situation is stable.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your help.
Thank you very much.
That's perfect. Boy, good job.